Hi, we're what's next? And have you ever been the webtoon? We made the Relay webtoon platform using AI generated image. As the graph, the webtoon industry have been growing. Many webtoon are becoming movie and drama. So I can tell you is the potential market. The webtoon industry have changed a lot over time. In the early webtoon market, only writer can creative webtoon and reader only saw them. But now the web novel are becoming webtoon or webtoon are becoming movie. The barrier of the web novel, webtoon, and movie have been broken down and the movement is free. So we are now trying to expand the webtoon industry. It will allow the reader to create their own ideas just by reading webtoon. Therefore, I suggest the third webtoon industry so that even reader can create a webtoon. The idea is a relay webtoon platform that allow you to create a webtoon without drawing using AI image. So I can tell like when reading the webtoon, the reader sometimes come up with better even better the idea than writer. So we're going to make a webtoon that use the collective intelligence. And second, the prompt keyword generate different image even if they use the same keyword. So we will use that. We plan it to expectation of the random story that no one can predict. So I can make my own webtoon story. And our service name is the What's Next, because the What's Next to express the meaning of the next expectation image.
Okay. At first, in this page, you create a proposal for prompt script inserted to making new AI image. And user also insert a description or explain prompt script detail. Maybe you guess when you see this UI, image making will be immediate, but we make some funny trick. We changed the use prompt keyword created in the last page into proposal to community. Individuals in community managing a webtoon content can vote for a proposal they like using platform token. And they wait for a new scene from image generated by selected proposal. So, what's next? Each moment will be very interesting. By the vote from community, the proposal for generated new image will insert a new scene the webtoon. You can see the last scene on the webtoon, and each process will be continuously. And users can enjoy their participation and contents boost. And in main page, user can see a lot of webtoon content by generating each communities. So user can enjoy a lot of webtoon content from our platform. And we design our service for users treated like writers themselves. So and next, okay. And the platform should be continuously, our team wants to solve this problem. The communities need participation by individuals, and communities should provide new good content for platform And finally, platform should incentive individuals to participate community. So we make two tokens actually. One is platform token. Platform token will be paid to bots, and the community will be share platform token by the proportion of equity token individuals have. And one token is equity token. Equity tokens will be generated in the every rounds or chapters proceeded newly in the community. The owner of equity token in each community will share IP profit or platform token paid to bots. This architecture incentivizes the users to participate in each community. So we show our demo video. And yeah, this is this main page. And you can select your content, and you can enjoy your content. So in this page, you can see the proposal list, and you can propose a new prompt script in here. You can propose a new story for the community or the content. And if you want any propose voted for proposal, you can vote by paying your platform token. So and when the vote closed, you can see a new image. Yes. So you can enjoy your content you own. You can make new story without drawing by using the AI images. So thank you our presentation. Thank you for listening to our presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We've already got our first question right over here from the judges.
Great presentation. Just wanted to ask, what is your go-to-market strategy, and how will you get your first set of users?
The market strategy, we will make the kickstart of the airdrop, maybe, so we can collect the participation and yeah, so go on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's hear another question from the judges. Maybe. One more?
Yeah.
All right.
So one other question here would be, is there also a, will you also be charging your users, or would it purely be a free to use model?
Oh, sorry. Please, do you want more?
Yeah, sure. Will you also charge your users, or is it completely free to use?
Is it
He
is
means
it free or?
yeah, is it free? Is it free? Is it free for the readers to?
Oh, yeah. You can buy the token in market. We are not charging for like now, but yeah, you can buy the token in the market like centralized exchange.
So the users or the readers don't have to buy the tokens to read the comics, but then if they buy the tokens, they can then create the storylines, the scripts. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, and that's the end of the time we have. So that answers the question, hopefully. One more round of applause for what's next. Let's introduce
Hi, this is their Kim from Team DDS. The topic of our presentation is blockchain-based federated learning platform and model trading marketplace. First, let me explain the differences between traditional deep learning and BCFL, blockchain-based federated learning. Traditional deep learning has several drawbacks. First, it is a centralized way. Second, gathering data for deep learning can be challenging. And third, the reusability of trained model is limited. BCFL, which we proposed, is a research methodology that addresses these issues. In BCFL, the deep learning model is trained in decentralized manner. Each participant in the training process receives rewards through a compensation mechanism facilitated by smart contracts. Additionally, by utilizing a marketplace for deep learning models, trained models can be bought and sold, thus ensuring reusability. This is benefits of BCFL. First, BCFL has high utility in the rapidly growing field of data markets. Second, it holds significant academic value as a technological example of the integration between deep learning and blockchain. Third, our proposed BCFL platform is a highly utilized blockchain solution that encompasses end-to-end processes from training to selling. Lastly, BCFL's business model holds economic potential due to its ability to generate revenue in the deep learning model market, which represents a new value proposition. Traditional deep learning requires the learner to crawl or label the data to train the deep learning model, and then store all the data on the server. After that, the learner can start training on a high-performance GPU server. On the other hand, federated learning allows learners to train on data generated from smart devices, such as personal computers, tablets, and then send the trained models to the server. The server does not have the data, but simply aggregates the trained models. Who would manage the tasks of federated learning? Why should people participate in the learning? Finally, is the system safe from participants who provide malicious data? Blockchain can solve all of these problems. The task can be managed by smart contracts that control the learning. Participants can receive rewards based on their contribution to the learning. Malicious participants will be penalized according to our platform's evaluation mechanism. They will be blacklisted and will not be allowed to participate in future learning. Our BCFL platform runs on GK event. Federated learning in the real world operates on massive devices, which can generate massive numbers of transactions. GK event batches transactions together, which can reduce gas costs, making it a suitable environment for federated learning solutions. How does our BCFL work? First, the task generator generates a task on the blockchain by defining the desired deep learning model type and the required parameters. Second, once the task is registered, our platform recruits participants. Users who have data that is suitable for this task will participate in the task in the exception of appropriate rewards. Once all participants are recruited, federated learning is started. Participants download an initial model and train it with their own data. The models trained by each individual are uploaded to IPFS and the CIDs are recorded on the blockchain. These models are aggregated on the server and then redistributed to the clients. and this process is repeated until the deep learning model achieves satisfactory performance. Once training is complete, participants are rewarded with tokens based on their contribution to the training of the final model. Next. According to our evaluation mechanism, malicious participants will not be rewarded. We have the idea of using Polygon IDs for participant management. The BCFL system blacklists the Polygon IDs of malicious participants so that they cannot participate in other tasks. When training is complete, the task generator will get an NFT of the trained model. The model NFT can be used in deep learning applications. In addition, the model NFT can be sold on a marketplace, and the proceeds from the sale will be redistributed to participants according to their contributions. We have deployed our services on GK-EVM. We will now begin the video demo. The scenario is composed of one task generator and two participants. First, log in to the registered task generator account and create task. On the creation screen, information entering is required for task definition, and click the register button to register the model. After the task is created on the server status recruiting participants. The first participant searches for tasks and participates in the desired task. You can see that the model that was just registered is being searched on the screen. This time, we will proceed with the new sign-up scenario. So, second participant register and log in. Similar to the previous one, participant searches for text and participates in the task that the previous participant joined in. After all this process, the server will start running. After all the running is finished, the reward tokens will be distributed according to the contribution of the runners. The trained model is minted as an NFT, and the task creator owns the NFT. This NFT can also be checked in the contract as shown in the last screen. This is our platform overview. So I'll finish presentation. Thank you for listening.
All right, thank you very much. All right, let's have some questions from the judges. We've got one right here.
Thank you for the presentation. And can you explain a bit more about the design of the smart contract that manages the learning schedules?
Smart contract has round information, and the task joined participants train finished flag. So each client finished trained the local model. They check the finish trained on smart contract, and then when all of flags are true, we will skip round. So that time, server aggregate the local trained model and then deploy global aggregation model to local client.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. That's all the time we have. One more round of applause for blockchain-based federated learning platform.